Let's go around and draw a circle. Then draw one of his midlines. Find a line around a third of the circle. Here is a vertical 90 degrees. Follow him a little parallel. There is an extension to the bottom here. That is, the extension of the first and second paragraphs. This way up, one of his faces. Not many words. Roughly confirm first. 2 eyes. Oval. Turn around. Top to bottom half. Snot. A chicken character. Mouth. Snot halfway up to chin, a little bit on the side. Hairstyle, let's start. Divide him into a chunk of a group. Hat. Price hit a head out. Eye parallelogram. The elliptical muscle. Add a parallelogram. 2 eyes are close to big and round. This eye is a little bit longer. Eyebrow. The eyebrows of boys are closer to the eyes. This eye we can turn back a little bigger. The 2 corners of the mouth will be a little heavier. Set your lips with your lower lip. This ear can use this nose. The first Turkai QQ. Fix the position of one earlobe. In the hair. On this big pig's trotter. It can't. Then we will follow the draft. That's it.